Hey, it's Ryan Hutch here. I just wanted to talk to you today about this program called Partner with Anthony and about my story. A few years back, I was working as a mechanic and decided to get out of that. So I got out of being a mechanic. I actually started watching my son full time for a little while, and I wanted to provide some income for my family. So I started looking online, looking for online marketing, things like that. And because I knew that there was great potential there and it could allow me to work and still take care of my son. So I found two programs actually. I joined both of them. Unfortunately, they were both scams. So I ended up losing thousands upon thousands of dollars. And unfortunately, it wasn't money that I could actually really lose. So what happened was basically I was out, right? Like I was out all this money. Those programs both disappeared. Like I couldn't even do anything with them. And what I knew that online marketing and affiliate marketing were definitely a way I still wanted to go. So I just kept looking. I was like, look, this is gonna work. It's not that, I mean, I see other people doing it. It's not that it's not gonna work. It's that I just need to find the right avenue. So I kept looking. About a year and a half ago or so, I came across this guy named Anthony Morrison. Anthony Morrison, I've been following him really quietly, honestly, for probably a year and a half. Yeah, roughly a year and a half, like I said. And just recently, last 6 months or so, he has a training call he does every week. And it was free for people that have purchased anything from him. And I don't remember, honestly, exactly what I purchased from him at the time. But I finally started jumping on the calls, and he had this idea for 2019 that he wanted to help teach people to build an online business, not only the right way, but step by step, so that you didn't feel like anything was missing. Like you could actually go out and personally do it, and even if you decided not to do anything with the Partner with Anthony stuff, if you went through the full course, you were able to build your own online business. So the idea was to build basically an affiliate marketing online business where he teaches exactly what to do step by step so that you aren't left out. And so I hopped on it and am super impressed with it. I actually have gone through not quite all the training yet, but quite a bit of it. And I can tell you right now, there's probably $3,000+ worth of value in this Partner with Anthony program. So I decided to go forward with it, and it was $7 a month, so it's less than a meal when you go out to even probably McDonald's at this point, right? I haven't been to McDonald's in years, but if my guess is it's probably still one meal a month at a restaurant, and you've paid for this program. And so what's really cool about the program is he does go step by step. He goes through mindset, what you need to have, which is 90% of the game, right? He goes through tools you need to have, not tools he's just trying to sell you, but tools you actually need to build the business. So there isn't anything that are oh, you absolutely need this, even though you really don't. You know what I mean? I don't know if you've ever been in any programs like that where they just try and sell you a whole bunch of stuff that you don't necessarily need. Well, this is not like that. And so I'm super excited to just bring this to you. I'm actually going to dive into the training real quick and just kind of show you a very brief overview of a few of the sessions, so you can kind of get a feel for what it's like to be inside Partner with Anthony program. And let's just do that right now. So this is session 1, and what's cool about this is just basically an overview. Sorry, I'll take my computer just a second to come up. All right, and so it's welcome from Anthony. I do want to show you. Actually, let me mute that. I do want to show you the quality of the video because I think that's important. You can see how much time he's put into it, right? So here's one of the videos. This is just the welcome video. And I just wanted to so he's in his studio. He shot these videos from his studio and took tons of time to do it. Now, in session 2, I was telling you about mindset earlier, right? So he's talking all about mindset here, keys to momentum, 12 principles 12 principles to uncovering the entrepreneur in you, rethinking success, pretty much all mindset, right? Which is great because it really is 90% of the game. And then session 3 is where we start to get into the nitty gritty, right? So what is affiliate marketing? Get your basic tools. These are the tools you just absolutely need to build an affiliate marketing business. And then reviewing the new business model. So reviewing the business model we're going to build. And then after that, he just goes into step-by-step exactly how to set things up. So if you are looking for a step-by-step process and you want to partner with somebody who made $1 million in ClickFunnels, and has been doing this for, I can't remember how many years. I think he's done it for like 15 plus years. And he's been super successful. So I recommend definitely checking out Partner with Anthony. There's a link below this video. If you click on the link and you purchase Partner with Anthony through my link, right after you do, go down in the description a little more, and there's actually a messenger link, and it will send you directly to my messenger. Message me and let me know you purchased Partner with Anthony, and I'll get back to you. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to me. So I'm super excited for you to jump in on Partner with Anthony 2019, and I hope this is the most successful year you have. Make sure to click that link below and then message me right after. Talk to you soon.